Hello everyone, if you are preparing for any competitive exam and gone through the previous year papers, then you will find this particular question several times, and here we are going to learn how to solve this particular question within 5 seconds after going through the question. Yes, it is possible to be solved within 5 seconds. So if you want to learn the concept along with the trick, then you are suggested to watch the full video without skipping the video. So let's go through the question first. It is given a train approaches a tunnel AB. So a train is there which is going or moving towards a tunnel which is named as AB. Next, it is given inside the tunnel a cat is located at a point that is 2/5 the distance AB if measured from the entrance. As here fraction value is given, we can assume the length or the total distance of the tunnel to be 5 unit, and out of that in 2 unit place a cat is located. So if we want to divide this tunnel into 5 equal parts, then you need to divide it by 4 straight line at equal interval. So let us draw 4 straight line like this. So as you can see, this particular tunnel is now divided into 5 parts. According to the given question, if the tunnel is total 5 unit, then at the 2 unit of this 5 unit from the entrance there is a cat located inside the tunnel. Now it is said when the train whistles, cat decides to run. So whenever the train starts running or moving at that point or at that time, cat also decides to run. Now it is given if the cat decides to run towards A. Now if the decision of the cat is to move towards A, that is towards the entrance, then the train catches the cat exactly at A. That means train is also approaching towards tunnel and cat is also approaching towards the entrance of the tunnel. In this condition, at the point A, both train and cat meets together. My dear students, if you observe carefully, whenever the cat is traveling a distance of 2 unit, as you can see total this is 5 unit. If we mark this all boxes as 1 unit distance, then whenever the cat is traveling this 2 unit of distance, that is from C to A, at that particular given time the train is covering from here till here. So distance covered by train is from here till here. When the cat is covering 2 unit of the distance, we can conclude like this. This was given in the first condition. Another one condition is given if the cat decides to run towards B, then the train catches the cat exactly at B. Now if the cat is moving towards B, in that case the train is also moving towards B, so they meet at the point B, or the train catches the cat at B. Here you are asked to find out the ratio of speed of train and cat. Before finding out the ratio, one thing you have to know, that is the basic formula of time, speed and distance, that is distance equal to speed into time. And here as you can see, the starting point or the starting time and the ending time, that is the meeting time of cat and train, in both the condition is same, or you can conclude that the time is fixed over here. Whenever the time is fixed, you can say distance is directly proportional to speed. So if we find out the distance and if we find out the ratio of distance, in that case the same ratio will be applicable for the speed. So we have gone through the question. Now let us start with the solution. So here according to the first condition, whenever the cat is moving towards A, that is it is moving towards the entrance, that is 2 unit distance it is covering. In that particular given time, the train is covering from here till here. So distance covered by train is this much when the cat is covering 2 unit of the distance. Now you need to concentrate over here. Now if we assume that the cat is not moving towards A, it is moving towards B and it is covering the same 2 unit of distance. So if it is moving this side and covering this 2 unit of distance, then train will cover the same distance, that is from here till here. So this we can conclude. But according to the second condition, it is given that whenever the cat decides to move towards B, then the cat is being caught exactly at B. So according to the assumption made by us, by moving the cat towards B, as you can see, whenever it is covering 2 units of distance this side, at that moment train will reach point A. But here, according to the second condition, cat decides to move towards B, then the cat is being caught at exactly B. So now, as you can see, the cat has to travel this much distance, that is 1 unit more, to reach the point B, and the train has to move from A till B, that is from here till here, to reach point B. So this 1 unit is covered by C. At that given time, the train is covering the distance from A to B, that is 5 units of distance. So we got the ratio of their distance. So this will be the ratio of their speed, as well as I have explained before. Now before marking the answer, you need to see that here the ratio of the speed of train and cat, that is first train then cat. So accordingly, option A 5:1 will be your correct answer over here. So my dear students, with this we come to the end of this particular video. If you find the content of this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video with new important concept. Till then, keep practicing, keep improving.